Alright guys, so we back with a new video. So we're wrapping Hugo's G37 Supercharged, but we're going with like a maroon, but in the sun it's like a bright red. It's kind of weird, but we're doing this side right now. We're taking it apart, so we'll show you what we're doing right now. So we got the door handles off, trim pieces, tail lights, and we're about to wipe it down and then start.
It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be sick. We'll get some clips of us wrapping it. So, oh yeah. This side pretty much done. Just gotta do side skirts, but this is how it's coming out so far. We got both doors done, whole quarter panel. We'll get some close-ups in it right now, but yeah, other than that, I'll show you some corners and stuff. It's freaking tucked pretty good. Yeah, no wrinkles, nothing. And then over here. Right here, like that. We got this. Come down to here. Yeah, and then the door right here is pretty tucked. I keep all my cuts pretty short so it doesn't come up. But I don't know if this thing is coming out really good. So I'll keep getting more clips of everything else, and we'll get some close-ups so you can see pretty good work, and scenes come out pretty sick. So we'll get some more clips for that. Alright guys, so here's a little update. I'm doing the rear bumper right now. Just gotta cut that out, but coming pretty good. Got this whole side done. Just gotta do the side skirts. Driver's side's done. Side skirt's done as well. So that's all good. Just gotta cut this out. And this all done. And then we gotta do the roof, front bumper, and then the other side skirt, and this thing is good to go. but it's coming out pretty sick. So we'll get some more updates on that. And yeah, show close-ups and then rollers or whatever. We'll get everything. All right, here's the rear bumper, done and all cut. Left the sensors black because so they can work and all that. But other than that, I think it looks pretty sick. About to do the passenger side skirt and then the roof, and that's it. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. We left the roof black and the mirrors because it blends in with the wheels and stuff, so we just left it. This thing is coming out good. We'll get some rollers and stuff a little bit right now.